That wired but tired feeling, can't sleep and can't function, it's not in your head. Your nervous system is stuck in survival mode, and there's a 60-second reset almost nobody is teaching you. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with 5 ways to flip that switch in under 60 seconds. Hi, I'm Julie. I've been a registered nurse for over 30 years, and I've lived with Hashimoto's chronic fatigue and celiac for most of those years. If you're a woman over 40 whose labs keep coming back normal, but you still feel terrible, this video is for you. Today, I'm walking you through 5 fast vagus nerve resets that you can start using today. Reset number 1, the physiological sigh. Forget the meditation apps. Forget the hour-long breathwork courses. The fastest reset takes only 2 breaths. And there's real research behind this out of Stanford. 2 quick inhales through your nose, back to back. Then 1 long, slow exhale out through your mouth. It's like a big sigh of relief. So watch with me. Okay, do this with me. The last one that you breathe in on is just a really quick inhale. Do those 2 or 3 times in a row, and you'll feel the shift. Here's why this works. That second sharp inhale pops open the little air sacs, alveoli in your lungs that collapse from shallow stress breathing. Your body offloads carbon dioxide faster, your heart rate slows, and your parasympathetic system, your rest and digest side, comes online almost instantly. I started using this when my Hashimoto's was flaring the hardest. That's the beauty of this one, and it works under 30 seconds. Now, stay with me because the next thing I want to show you works while you sleep. The wearable that I rely on every day and night is the Apollo Neuro. It's a small wearable device that you wear on your wrist or your ankle, and it sends gentle, low frequency vibrations that signal your nervous system that you're safe. Apollo picks up on what you need at night to keep you asleep. And during the day, I also pick modes depending on how I'm feeling, either calm, focus, or sleep, hopefully not at work. And I let it do its magic in the background. There is a large body of clinical research behind it. And if you're interested in more information, the link is in the description below. Reset number 2, the cross body rhythm reset. This next one is my personal favorite. Let me show you. Do this with me. You're combining 3 things at once. The double inhale breath that we did before, bilateral stimulation, alternating left and right sides, which engages both hemispheres of your brain, and rhythm, the clap, which is what your brain craves when it's been thrown into chaos. This is the one I reach for when my mind is totally ping-ponging. When my chronic fatigue was at its worst, my mind would race, even when my body was too exhausted to move. This gave me something to anchor to. Try it for 1 full minute and notice how different your body feels at the end. If you're feeling something shift in your body already after doing this with me, hang on, because the next 3 are the ones most women have never heard of. I want to pause a moment here. If you want every technique in this video on one printable page, I made you my nervous system reset guide, and it's in there. It's completely free to you, and the link is in the description below. Stick it on your fridge and keep a copy in your purse. You'll thank yourself the next time your system hijacks you. All right, reset number 3, the cold water face reset. This one sounds way too simple to work, but it isn't. Splash cold water on your face right under your eyes and across your cheekbones, or wet a washcloth with cold water and just press it there. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds. You're triggering the mammalian diving reflex. When cold hits the skin around your eyes, your body thinks you've just gone underwater. Your heart rate drops and your vagus nerve fires. Your whole system downshifts within seconds. I keep a cold gel eye mask in my freezer at all times. And when my cortisol spikes in the afternoon, when so many of us with autoimmune issues crash and then surge back up, I lie down for 50 seconds with that mask over my eyes. It's the fastest off switch I've found, and it works every time. Reset number 4 is humming and the VOO sound. Your vagus nerves runs directly through the back of your throat alongside your vocal cords. When you hum, those vocal cords vibrate, and that vibration physically stimulates your vagus nerve from the inside. You breathe in through your nose, and then on the exhale, hum low and steady. The longer the exhale, the better. Some people use the deeper sound VOO, which moves the vibration down into your chest area, and it feels like a full body reset. Let's try this together. VOO. Try it with me. VOO. I started doing this in the car when traffic would set me off, believe it or not. It feels silly at first, but nobody's looking at you. And once you do it, you understand why it works. Okay, the very last one. This is the one that nobody talks about. And once you try it, you'll wonder why. Reset number 5, the ear vagus massage. A branch of your vagus nerve runs through the outer part of your ear right here, specifically that little flap of cartilage in the front of your ear canal. It's called the tragus, and the bowl-shaped area is right inside it, right over here. Use your fingertip and gently massage in small circles like this, or you can pinch the tragus softly and hold it for 30 or up to 60 seconds, doesn't matter. And you can also run your fingers down the entire length of your ear, top to your lobe. I learned this through my functional medicine work, and now I do it almost reflexively when I feel myself spiraling. I'll find myself just like playing with my ear and just doing this. Before you go, please let me know, out of these 5 resets, which are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. Your answer might be the exact thing another woman needs to hear or see. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe. And please share it with one woman you know who's been running on empty. She really needs to hear this. Remember, your body isn't broken, it's burdened. And when you understand those burdens, you can finally begin supporting your body in the way it's needed all along. Thank you so much for being here with me today. And please take care of yourself because you deserve to feel better. And remember, we're all in this together. I'll see you in the next one.